Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to talk about elevator pitches. We're going to cover what an elevator pitch is, why you need one, and what sort of information needs to be included in one. We'll also cover how to establish an effective elevator pitch strategy, who you can give an elevator pitch to, when, and how long it needs to be effective. Lastly, we'll also discuss what medium an elevator pitch needs to be in order to work. Let's get started. An elevator pitch is a 1 to 3 minute overview of your business. It is used when you first introduce your business to someone, whether they be a potential investor, partner, or team member. You will want to design your elevator pitch to fit your target audience. The goal of this type of pitch is to effectively convey the concept of your business to your audience, to emotionally excite your audience about your product or service potential, and to leave them wanting more. The way your audience gets to learn more about your business is to schedule a 15 to 30 minute pitch deck presentation, which will more comprehensively cover your business opportunity. One way to look at it if you are creating an elevator pitch for investors is that an elevator pitch is the first step prospective investors take to invest in your investment funnel. Okay, let's go over what sort of information needs to be included in your elevator pitch. A basic tenet of disclosing any concept is that you want to cover the who, what, when, where, why, and how with respect to that concept. The same goes for an elevator pitch. You can use these questions as a guide to build an outline that you can refine into a compelling pitch. Remember to briefly cover your market need and how your product or services provide a solution to that need. You also should mention where your industry and market is currently at, who your competitors are, and what your product or service's competitive edge is in relation to them. It is good to cover revenue streams and summary numbers about your business, like current and projected growth rate, profit margin, and internal rate of return. The challenge of creating an elevator pitch is not in creating content, but in creating content that effectively communicates your business opportunity within such a short period of time. Your elevator pitch can be presented verbally, by a one-sheet, or even with a short 1 to 3 minute video. Elevator pitches can even come in the form of an email or text message as well, and because they are so short, they can be pitched anywhere, on the fly, without any schedule. They can be at a cocktail party, in a car, or over the internet, so long as the circumstances are right to begin speaking with your audience about your business opportunity. Well, that's all I have for today. If you have an elevator pitch you're working on and want to share it, feel free to post it in the comment thread below so myself and others can see it and potentially give you some feedback. If you're working on an elevator pitch and you need assistance in any way, remember, we at Order of Merchants are here to help you dial that pitch in so you can begin implementing it into your investment funnel. You can schedule an appointment for your free initial consultation at orderofmerchants.com, or you can just email us at contact@orderofmerchants.com. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified when we release new videos in the future. Thanks for watching.